Imagine a world where your passions and hobbies transform into a thriving business. Connected TV streaming platforms like Roku and Amazon Fire TV makes this possible, and it's exploding with opportunity. You don't even need to be on camera. Heck, you don't even need your own content. We show you how to create channels using other people's content easily and legally. And with TV, our groundbreaking AI assistant, TV channel creation just got smarter, faster, and easier. TV does the heavy lifting for you, from generating channel ideas and titles to crafting descriptions and even monetization strategies. TV works in real time to help you launch professional, high-performing channels in minutes. Over 500 million active users are spending 50 hours a month on average watching content on Roku and Amazon Fire, and they're hungry for more. With Tvbossfire Teevee, you can tap into this massive audience and start earning from day one. Crafting your own TV channel might sound complicated, but with Tvbossfire Teevee, it's easier than ever. Our AI-powered platform lets you build, monetize, and launch TV channels with no coding, no experience, and no hassle. A world's first online software that uses AI to help people like you create their TV channels, allowing you to turn your passions into profits. Whether it's fitness, cooking, gaming, or education, there's an audience for every single niche. And with monetization options like ads, subscriptions, and affiliate deals, you can turn viewers into revenue with ease. But don't just take our word for it. Duran started as a complete newbie, created his first channel in just 30 minutes using TV, and has since earned over $230,000 in a single year. Tammy turned her book publishing channel dream into a $180,000 success story in her first 12 months using TV. These are just two of the countless success stories from our users that you'll see on this very page.
Hey everyone, so what you're seeing right now is the result of a wonderful little device with a connected television device. This is an Amazon Fire Stick, but there is also Roku TV devices as well. Some TVs, smart TVs, already have these inside them. Gaming consoles, there are an abundance of ways that you can watch TV now online. Now, the reason why it's called connected television, it's ultimately any device that can connect to the internet and show you what you see right now, basically. This small device is the reason why people are leaving cable and going to connected television, basically. Amazon Fire and Roku TV own 80% of connected TV viewership, which is good for us, which you will learn. But basically, this plugs into the back of the television and connects to the internet. And this cable here plugs into the device like this and plugs into the back of the TV. Just this. You can even get shorter cables than this. Meaning that cable is obviously obsolete. There's no digging up the driveway, no digging up the garden, no drilling holes. You can watch more stuff. It's more affordable. It's easier to access everything you want. It works as a search engine. There are multiple benefits, okay? And what you're seeing right now on the screen is connected television. Now with Tvbossfire, you can actually create TV channels that get your channels amongst the big dogs, okay?
Tvbossfire Teevee isn't a new player. It's a trusted leader in the connected TV space for over 7 years, powering more than 5,000 channels and helping creators generate tens of millions of views. From your first dollar to 6 or even 7 figures, this platform has proven itself time and again. And the best part? You don't need your own content. With access to over 200 million free and legal assets, including movies, music, and documentaries, your channels can be filled with high-quality content in minutes. Still unsure? Let TV guide you every step of the way, whether it's brainstorming niche ideas, optimizing your channel, or helping you monetize. TV makes the process seamless and fun. And if you're still on the fence, well, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll refund you, no questions asked. The time to act is now. With Roku recently removing nearly half of its competition, there's never been a better time to claim your place in this thriving market. So what are you waiting for? Click below to join thousands of successful creators and start building your TV empire today. With Teevee, the world's first AI-powered TV channel creation assistant, your success has never been this close. Your audience is waiting, and so is your success.